Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic to discuss, especially if you're looking to make some extra money from the comfort of your own home. We're diving into the world of live chat assistant jobs and how you can leverage them to boost your income. Did you know that you can make up to $35 per hour just by sitting and chat on your computer? So, if you're ready to learn how to make money from home, keep watching. Live chat jobs have become increasingly popular in recent years, providing individuals with a flexible way to earn money without leaving their homes. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or simply looking for a side hustle, this could be the opportunity you've been waiting for. Before we start, we recommend that you sign up with Social Sales Rep, a company with a big database with available live chat assistant jobs. Click the link in the video description for more information. Now, let's get right into it. We'll cover what live chat jobs are, the benefits of working from home, how to find these opportunities, and some tips to succeed in this field. What are live chat jobs? First off, what exactly are live chat jobs? Well, they involve providing customer support, sales assistance, or technical help via online chat platforms. This means you'll be communicating with customers through text-based chats rather than over the phone. Benefits of working from home. Now that you know what live chat jobs entail, let's talk about the perks of working from home. One of the most significant advantages is the ability to create your own workspace, allowing you to tailor it to your liking. Plus, you can say goodbye to that daily commute, saving time and money. Finding live chat job opportunities. So, how can you find these fantastic live chat job opportunities? Let's explore some avenues. Start by searching on job boards and websites dedicated to remote work, such as Social Sales Rep. You find a link to the company in the video description. Many companies now offer remote positions, including live chat jobs. Additionally, you can directly visit the career pages of companies you're interested in and look for remote positions or inquire about live chat job openings. Here are some tips for success. Before we wrap up, here are some essential tips to succeed in your live chat job. Firstly, excellent communication skills are a must. Be clear, concise, and friendly when chatting with customers. Remember, you're representing the company. Secondly, stay organized. Keep track of your chats, prioritize tasks, and manage your time effectively to meet your goals. Lastly, enjoy the perks of working from home, but also stay disciplined. Create a daily routine and stick to it to maintain a healthy work-life balance. How to start? We recommend that you sign up with Social Sales Rep, a company with a big database with available live chat assistant jobs. Click the link in the video description for more information. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on remote work, side hustles, and ways to make money from home. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.